Stop Snoring, Bernard, a puppet show based on the book by Zachariah OHora. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime. He loved playtime. And best of all, nap time. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough.
Snore somewhere else, Bernard.
Okay.
Bernard set off looking for a different place to nap. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work.
Stop snoring, Bernard.
Sorry.
Bernard went looking for another place to sleep. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either.
Stop snoring, Bernard.
Sorry.
So Bernard set off to find yet another place to nap. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work.
Stop snoring, Bernard.
Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked-away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. The other animals missed Bernard and searched for him all through the night.
Bernard!
The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling.
Excuse me, how did you sleep with all my snoring?
We didn't.
We were out all night, and now we're trying to sleep.
So please don't snore here.
Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was Giles and the other animals.
We couldn't sleep without you. And I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back.
And from that day on, everyone napped happily.
Good night, Bernard.
The end.